Hey, what's up guys? It's Flex and welcome back. So yeah, based on the title of this video, I am changing the spoiler on this 2015 Audi A4 S-Line. A few months back, I installed a carbon fiber spoiler on the trunk. However, after looking at the car with the quad tips and the new diffuser and just the way the back end looks, I want to go with something a little more aggressive. So I actually found a really unique spoiler for this car, but at the same time, I'm going to install a roof spoiler and I'm also going to get the windows tinted as well. So first, I'm going to get the car dropped off so the windows can get tinted. Then I'm going to install the roof spoiler. Then I'm going to remove the old spoiler and install the brand new spoiler that I hope you guys like. I'm here at TintWorks in Burlington, Massachusetts. These guys are my go-to guys for all my window tints for my cars. Here it is, guys. The car just got tinted by my buddies at TintWorks. What's up, Rick?
What up?
What's going on?
Oh,
dude, this looks awesome. So what did we do here?
35%.
That's pretty good.
It looks dark on this car, I know.
Yeah.
The interior is dark too.
I'm glad that we're going to keep it legal because I plan on selling this car later, so I don't want to deal with taking stuff off. So there you have it. Rick did his magic again with his team here at TintWorks. If you guys have to do any tint work for your car, for your truck, for your SUV, even for businesses, right? Yeah, for businesses as well, come check out TintWorks here in Burlington, Mass. I'll leave all the information in the description below. Now I gotta go install my new roof spoiler now that the tint's done. And Rick, again, thanks again for the good job.
Hey, anytime, man. You know I got you.
Here's the roof spoiler I got online. It's carbon fiber and it looks awesome. So this comes pre-installed with double-sided tape. I just split the tape in the middle, peel it back a little. This way I can mount it and move it around. And once I find the right spot, I can peel the red film off and then apply pressure to the spoiler. First, I'm going to clean the back window with some 70% isopropyl alcohol. This is just to make sure that it's super clean before I install the spoiler. Now I'm going to take a heat gun and just heat up the double-sided tape so it's extra sticky. And now I'm just going to align it on the back window, make sure it's nice and centered. And as soon as it's centered, I'm going to pull back the red film. And then I'm going to apply pressure to the spoiler to lock it down. Here I'm just taking off the old spoiler and preparing the trunk with a nice clean surface for the brand new spoiler. So here's the brand new aggressive carbon fiber spoiler I got online. It looks awesome. It reminds me of the spoiler on the W205 that I installed. It tapers in. It has a cutout for a notch right there. And it has an aggressive duckbill. And check out the quality. Yeah, it looks awesome. And on the back side, it didn't come with any double-sided tape. So I'm going to have to apply some of my own. And then go ahead and get this installed. So just like the roof spoiler, I'm going to center it on the back of the trunk. And as soon as it's nice and centered, I'm going to peel back the red film. And then I'm going to apply pressure and lock in the spoiler in place. So there you have it. What do you guys think? Tinted windows. Here's the carbon fiber roof spoiler. That looks awesome. And here is the aggressive new back spoiler. Look how good that looks. Look at the side profile. It flows with the car nicely. And check this out. With the diffuser and quad tips, it matches perfectly. I'm really happy with the way this turned out. So what do you guys think? I think it looks super aggressive. I like it a lot and the carbon fiber quality is top notch. Yeah, it was a little more expensive than I wanted to spend, but at the end of the day, I'm pretty happy with the way it turned out. So I hope you guys liked the video. If you do, hit like below. As always, make sure you subscribe and I will see you next time.